Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another Project Thrift 52 video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I'm currently on week 44 of the project. Today I'm here in Wake Forest, North Carolina, and I'm going to take you into their Goodwill. I've never been in here before, so I'm excited to take you guys inside. I will show you around, and then like always, I'll show you anything I purchase at the end of the video. So now that we are about to go inside, let me know down in the comments section what your favorite item was on today's thrifting trip. I would love to know. The first thing that I like to do when I go thrifting is check out the furniture selection. There wasn't a lot of furniture to look at on this particular day, but I did find this cute little end table for $6.99. This would be great for a makeover project. I don't need an end table, but somebody's going to get a great score with this. I did almost purchase the Halloween mugs. With Halloween right around the corner, I thought these would be great for me, my husband, and my daughter Hannah. I did leave them behind because I'm running out of storage space. I also came across some really interesting glassware. I found 3 of these North Carolina glasses. And I also came across some Pepsi 12 Days of Christmas glasses. There were a lot of different ones, but there wasn't a complete set. But I'm sure someone will come along and snatch these up. I had a hard time not purchasing this piece of vintage Pyrex. It would match with my Corelle dishes that I have been collecting. I did decide to leave this behind. It was missing the lid and I really don't have room for it. So I'm hoping a Pyrex collector will come along and find this and be really happy. I thought this next item was pretty funny. They were diapers made for male dogs. I had never seen any like this before, so I just thought it was pretty interesting. And the last item I wanted to share with you is this big mouth Billy Bass. I'll play a little bit of what it sounds like.
First I was afraid, I was petrified.
So now I'm going to show you everything that I purchased today. The first item that I purchased was a t-shirt in one of the bins. It was $1.69 and it basically looked brand new. It was a Nightmare Before Christmas t-shirt and it was for my daughter Hannah. This happens to be one of her favorite movies and she will really enjoy wearing this shirt. The next two items that I purchased were the glass Christmas tree jar for 99 cents and the vintage Pyrex bowl for $1.99. I'm going to use the tree jar in my holiday decor this year. It does have a lid on the bottom, so I might put some candy inside or maybe some string lights. I really loved the green stripe on the Pyrex bowl, and I'll probably just use this for soups and salads. I have never seen a gold Pyrex stamp on the back of Pyrex, so if anybody knows anything about this particular set, I would love to know. The last items that I purchased were the gorgeous blush pink and white throw pillows. They were $2.99 each and I found 4. I also found this pink and gold one underneath them and it was also $2.99. So I got a total of 5 throw pillows. And now I'm going to show you where I'm going to use them in my home. I needed some nice pillows for my bed and I loved the pop of color that this added to my room. All of the pillowcases had zippers on them, so they were very easy to remove and wash. I did wash the pillowcases separate from the pillows, and I really loved the feminine touch that the pillows added to my bed. So I do have 2 extra pillows and I want to get a chair for this corner of my room over by the window. So once I find that chair, I will have 2 extra pillows to go on top of it. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope to see you back for week 45.